Father, all the time. Miami.
Is it genuine? That is the real question. Is it genuine? Because from over here, so when me I look, and I look in as a spectator, I cannot say if it's genuine. Yes, my peeps. Welcome back, man. Yeah, man. Welcome, viewers and subscribers. Yeah, man. And today now we are talking about on to killer back in the States. Easy back in Miami with DJ Khaled them. I mean, I tell you, what a link up with him and Gully God and Vybz Kartel. Big link up in yo. I tell you, my peeps, big link up the dancehall. Yeah, man. Something a big thing for dancehall. Some people wonder why DJ Khaled, but them should know why DJ Khaled. But far as me I see it a big thing them all go on with. Yeah, man, so we just there if you go and watch and see. So anyway, we go talk about it. Now we are going to see where them are deal with over there. Yes, my people. So big up on yourself, man. And welcome to the channel all the time. Yeah, man. And my people, everybody love the move. Everybody love the move. You know, people love the Bounty Killer already. Yeah, man. And people love the Vybz Kartel already. Buju did that. Mavado did that. The Gully, the Gaza. Boy, I tell you with DJ Khaled run off the empire. Yeah, man. Boy, we are going to watch and we are going to see the fans and viewers. I tell you, you know, subscribers, we are watch and we are going to see what go on. Yes, because we know something bigger will come out of this. Just now, just now come together and chat and touch up and I that. Yeah, man, something bigger will come out of it. Yeah, man, and we know if it come big enough, we elevate dancehall on a level. Yeah, man. So, my people, glad to see Bounty Killer back in the States. Yeah, man. And them having big show. They'll come up. Yes. Big thing for him, man. I have a legend that, you know. Bounty Killer, you know. Yeah, man. I son them, you know. I son them in go link up with, you know. Yes, man. Yeah, man. So anyway, we are going to see what go on. And then we check out where Footer Hype up say. Because Footer Hype say, you know, look like say real, you know. Look like a fake link up, you don't know if real or fake. Yeah, man. But him I go say that. Yeah, man, Footer go say that because you know say I did part of them, you know. Yeah, man. But as a talk, say hold him side and gone on the other side, you know. So you have to just see and know say I saw it going, you know. I just vice him a vice out, you know. Yeah, man. Big up on yourself, my people. Check out Bounty Killer. Yeah, man.
See you think a cheap show. Or a cheap suit.
Here's your trailer, Mr. Price.
This is the life, yeah, man. Breeze.
Hello? Yeah. We're going to shoot tomorrow. Yes. Come on. All the time. Father, all the time.
Miami. Yeah, man. All the time. Yo, man. Yeah, man. All the time. Yeah, man. Oh, man, daddy. Yeah, man. School, man. Yeah. Yeah. Man, for this, man. Remember, sir, from your 13 there on here.
Is it genuine? That is the real question. Is it genuine? Because from over here, so when me I look, and I look in as a spectator, I cannot say if it's genuine, because a million people try to it happen. You can't even get them on the same rhythm, you can't even get them on a song. Jamaican producer will really put some of them artists up on them up. Can't get them on a collaboration. Can't get them in a one studio together. You get what I say, Gaga? Cannot get them in our studio together one time. So, somebody have to just say the truth. It's the truth. Is it genuine love? Is it really, okay, I don't hate you anymore? Is it, I don't hate you anymore and we are cool? Is it that? Or is it, I'm just going to go over there and smile because you don't know more than on a Khaled track your car. This sure if you sell a platinum. When Khaled album come out, it's sure if you sell platinum and me a dep on it. Me a get a platinum placard. Me a get a billion views and, you know, Khaled can give me a link with a big rapper and Savage 21 or one Drake. Is it that? Is it real brotherly love? That's my magic question, you know. That is my magic question. Is it real or is it a facade? Cause me know enough people will try to make them talk. And ego that kill everything. Ego all over the place. You understand? So that is my take. It's a great look and the union is great because we have three elements and one of the greatest team ever assembled in music. You have Bounty Killer, Vybz Kartel and Mavado. That is huge. That is huge. Then you have Gargamel, which is a stalwart where even Bounty Killer look up to Buju. So that is great. And then you have DJ Khaled, who our culture make him become who he is. So this is like giving back to the culture in some sense. Yeah? So it's great. But I am saying, see, is it a facade? Because a whole heap of people try and make it happen and it couldn't happen. So I have to question it. It's like how Christian tell us to believe in a Christianity but don't question God and don't ask a question. Me can't do that, you know. Me can't do that, you know. Me can't do that. Me have to ask question. So, me no know if it's real. It looks good. It's a good look. It's a great link up. But I'm saying, why Sly and Robbie couldn't do it? Why them would give Sly and Robbie the opportunity to do it? Why them not give DF Kelly the opportunity to do it? Why them not give Shane Brown, Sean Isle? We have great producers, whole heap of great producers, then not do it. Why Father Paul couldn't do it? Runner Stone Love. Why Renaissance them couldn't get all of them together in one place? Why Metro Media, Sky Juice couldn't say, yo, Killer link up, Kartel link up, Vado link up. Wanna come check me, Buju come check me. I have a song to produce, I'm gonna hold on upon it. I'm just saying, why somebody out of the culture can get that look here without no hassle and no problem. But a stalwart man in the culture, I'm not even talking about me, because say nobody likes me, so I ain't looking for that shit. Oh, nobody else couldn't get it done. Sharon Burke couldn't get it done. Sharon Williams couldn't get it done. Butler couldn't get it done. Yeah, celebrity Tavi, the fact is they got it